I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's daily Dark Pool Whispers for Thursday, July 15th. The Dark Pool is getting sneakier, but we are so onto them. It's so good to have a couple hundred traders focused on this. Thank you to my Java pitters that are constantly calling out the sneaky dark pool activity. I really appreciate that. Yesterday, Paul noticed those sneaky 10.5 million late dark pool sell prints on the SPY, like at the end of the day, after the bell, leading up to the bell, after the bell. Normally we see them coming in all day long. They gave us a couple of signals, but they got really heavy late, and they were definitely, and these are like already 24 hours late. So yeah, keep your eye on that 435.58 level. We are below that right now, so that is bearish as long as we stay below that. All right, we're going to keep it simple. Today, bullish above 436.52 and bearish below 434.50. We did come down and tag that, push up. Let's see if we can stay below that. Now, I just want to zoom in on this. Oops, trying to zoom in on the daily chart. Sorry about that. Let me just try to. There we go. So, yeah, so look where we're at. We are in between the 4 and the 8 EMA right there. So if we go below the 8, there's a nice trade down to the 15 EMA. We've already been there not too long ago. So if we do start to come down, there'll be less buyers that second time around. So this could be the ultimate target. All right, so watch that. There'll still be some buyers there, but definitely less if we do start to head down. Just want you to be prepared in every direction. Let's go to the Russell, because this was a clear, easy trade. Moving down below those massive, the biggest level I've ever seen, 229.81. All right, we've been moving lower, and this is what I was talking about, right? I just showed you an example of that second time around. So here's the 150 simple moving average, right here, that blue line. We touched down the second time, less buyers. You can see today we are below. Next moving average is right here, 212 is our next big target. So you can see why I put that right here. 212, the 161 EMA, that is in silver. Yeah, a really good moving average, by the way. So bullish above 218.50, bear below 216.50. Let's head on over to the QQQs. They have been the strongest, but they look like they're getting a little bit weaker. 365 is such a key level. Yeah, $5 increments are where the computers like to sell. So that's why today I am bullish above 365, bear below 362.75. Okay, let's head on over to the E-minis, and that's a retracement trade. Let's go to the E-minis. Bullish above 43.67, bear below 43.47. We got the NASDAQ futures next. Bullish above 14,950 and bear below 14,900. And you know what? We just went below it. Yep, we did tag. We hit our first target. Looks like. Yeah, watch that area again. Yeah, if we do go below there. Let's go to the oil futures. Yeah, oil is taking a pretty big hit. Bullish above 72.63 today. If we go above this Camarilla, bear below 71.60. All right, if we go below S1 here, we are going to be bearish. Let's see how the weekly candle is being painted. They do like to fake us out. We did come down. Look at this weekly chart. That pink line, that's the 8 exponential moving average. All right, as you know, I love this. We've been holding it. If we close below that this week, look out below. We'll most likely come down to this bottom trend line. We've had massive prints on oil as well. And we've had massive prints on gold Holy cow, sneaky prints. I believe Jazz called that out yesterday on gold. Yeah, I posted that out for you guys. Let me just show you something. IAU is the dark pool favorite. They did some sneaky prints today at 34.91. 2 million so far. And they're real time. I just posted that out on the app. IAUM. Nobody's heard of this thing. Yeah, this thing it doesn't even trade. It trades, look at this, like 8,000 on a normal day. Look at the volume coming into this. This is an ETV. Yeah, do not trade this. But what I want to tell you is we got a 10 million print yesterday. It looks like we got some really big prints on July 1st as well. Yeah, gold. Something big is happening with gold right now, and probably the US dollar. We'll check out that just next, but let me give you the trade setup on gold. We're going to be bullish today above 1831 and bearish below 1820. All right, if it doesn't hold above this pivot, but it looks pretty strong. Let's head on over to the dollar. What's the dollar doing? Let's check out this weekly chart. All right, so we've hit resistance here on the dollar. Yeah, so is it going to break above again? They love to keep us waiting until Friday, near the end of the day. They try to fake us out all week. So we're definitely onto it, definitely watching it. Sometimes the dollar and gold will move up together. It's rare, but I have seen that happen when gold is really strong. It just moves up no matter what. So we'll keep that, keep that in the back of your mind. Let's head on over to Bitcoin. Yeah, let's see what's going on with those Bitcoin futures. All right, looks like we were up. Now we've gone into negative territory. Bullish above 32,700. Bear below 31,750, and we've just gone below. And looks like, well, we might be headed down to our first target, 31,500. All right, let's go to the individual stocks. And I know everybody wants to know about AMC. Not a day goes by before, and traders are asking me what's going on in the dark pool. So, yeah, the same thing that's been going on is going on. We are below the heaviest dark pool levels, which I've been talking about for quite a few weeks. Especially this $52.37 level. All right, that was 2.3 million shares. And as I pointed out, if we do the math on the dollar amount of that, who wants to do the math of that? Right? What does that come out to? $125 million. So, yep. That was the big kahuna level that we turned bearish on this using dark pool institutional money flow. I know there are dark pool trades on this every day. I follow the institution, the large, ginormous prints, and I just show you guys what I look at. I know there's a lot of dark pool activity, but we have a database that we keep track of all of it, and on June 7th, this massive trade happened. And then we had this other trade that happened at 44.11, the 44 million. We had this massive trade, this massive trade, this massive trade. There's a big, large institution on one side, and then there's small little people on the other. So, this is why we follow these massive block trades. And today we're bullish above 33 for a retracement trade. We can day trade this all day long, and bearish below 31, and we are headed down to that level right now. Let's head on over to Bank of America. Bank of America, after earnings, this is a great trade yesterday in the options boot camp. Holy cow, you guys rocked this. Great job. Great job. Today we're bullish above 40.02. and bear below 38.37. Let's head on over to XLF. This is also a great trade. It's moved slower, but because we're in the midst of bank earnings, I'm putting it on the whisper. Bullish above 36.75, bearish below 36. And guess what? We spotted. And I think Yoli, you gave me that picture this morning? Who gave me the picture? I saw it yesterday too go by. 10 million sneaky prints, you guys. 10, yeah, let me show you. We don't normally get this. I'm gonna actually bring this in. Hold on. July. Yeah, and it's a prior reference print. This is my LiveVol Pro, amazing software. Look at this, 10 million print right here. Was not a closing print. This was the closing print, 36.50. But this was a doozy, 10 million. So, yep, that definitely, we caught that one. Awesome job. Yep, let's use that level. All right, we're below it. That's bearish today, though. If we go below 36, that's where the day trade is, and bullish above 36.75. Let's head on over to Apple, which has been a beast. All right, we tagged the 150 level, unfortunately, pre-market. I hate when they do that, especially if that's our target, right? But today, bullish above 150.20 and bear below 148.50 for Apple. Let's head on over. We did have a recent print at 148.94, 1.5 million. So yeah, watch that level. DD, sneaky market on close trade for that one. I should actually show you that one as well. Very sneaky activity. I saw this one yesterday. Let's see, look at that. Now this is a market on close print, and it's only one of them, not all of them. They did just duplicate them, but highly unusual. Yeah, at 12.62. So this has been on our radar. It's been in the Dark Pool Insights, and it's been on the Whispers. So bullish above 12.75 and bear below 12.24. Let's head on over to Morgan Stanley, which had earnings. We're going to be bullish above 93.25, bear below 90. GLD, yeah, watch the gold. All right, something big's going on. Bullish above 171.55. When gold does take off, they usually don't let people in. And this has happened quite a few times over the past decade. And people say, oh, wait for a pullback, and it just keeps going. So let's see if that's the same scenario, but we'll be bearish below 170. Let's head on over to Taiwan Semiconductor. Yep, not liking its earnings. Bullish above 121.50 for a retracement trade and bear below 120. Let's and we did have recent dark pool activity on that one at 117.67. Wondering if they're going to test that and tag it. That's another popular pattern. Let's head on over to NEO. NEO, bullish above 44 and bear below 42. That was a great trade yesterday. Also, we were trading that in the options boot camp. And BABA is our last one. Lots of volume this morning. Bullish above 216.25, bear below 211.99. So I know these whispers are good. These targets are being hit. But every once in a while, I do get emails from traders going, I don't know how to trade it. I'm not entering right. I'm not exiting properly. You know, help. So every couple months, I like to do a one-day boot camp, all live trading, where I'll teach you how I map this out. And I teach you how to trade it. We get into them, we get out of them. I show you where to get stopped out, where to take profits, how to scale. In the afternoon, we go through all the dark pool prints from the week, and we enter into swing trades, and that's when I show you how I trade options swinging around the dark pool. So come join me August 10th. Yep, we sent out lots of notifications on social media. I will send out one on the app today as well. We do have a 50% off special this week, just another week left actually, so I highly recommend it if you are not getting the results that you want. Okay, so until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.